Ishita, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the origami craft like Pikachu box, phone stand and the wallet. Materials are used color papers, scissor, pencil, scale, glue and sketches. So I'm gonna show you the Pikachu box. Join two sides to get a triangle like this. And the other side also similarly like this. Open it and join this side to this side. Now fold like this to get a rectangle. And similarly opposite side also. Open it and turn back. Now take these two corners and push it inside, and this also similarly. Now take this corner and fold it back. See, now we got the marking and fold it on the marking line and fold it back like this. Similarly, other side also. Now take this one and fold it like this, and similarly back side also take this one and fold it like this. You will get like this. Now take this corner and fold it like this, and similarly other side also fold it like this. Now turn it back and fold it like this. Similarly this one also fold it like this. See, now you got a box type. Push this one like this one also. Now take the glue and stick it here. We need to make sure that we got the both foldings in the similar way. Now take this one, fold it like that. And this one also in this similar way. Now let's see how to make the eyes. Take a round circle let's draw the nose. And cheeks. See, now your Pikachu box is ready. Now I'm filling this with chocolate, or you can fill this with bindis or anything like kundans, bindis, etc. Now let's make the phone stand. Take a paper, fold it into half, to get a marking. Open it and fold this corner till the marking. Similarly, fold other side. Again, take this one and fold to the marking. Similarly, other side. Fold it into half. Now take 2 centimeters. Now fold it. Open it. Again fold it like this. Now open it. Take glue and stick. Now open it. Fold it back. Now fold it back till the corner, and this one just make a marking by folding here. Now insert one side into another one. Now push it inside. Now your phone stand is ready. Let's decorate it. Now let's draw the eyes. See, now your phone stand is ready. Now your phone stand is ready. You can watch anything. Now let's see how to make the wallet. Now take a paper, fold it into half to get the marking. Open it. Take one side, fold it till the marking, and the other side also. Similarly, now open of your left side and fold it half, and once again fold it. Now turn back, fold it like this. Similarly, this side also like this. Now let's paste it. And the other side also. Now let's paste one side. Now fold it back and stick it. See, you got two pockets. Now fold it into half. And let's stick the eyes. Now let's paste the eyes. Now let's draw the mouth. Now your wallet is ready. You can keep money and keep cards like this. You can decorate the eyes as you like. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.